Hi everyone, welcome to my new vlog. So today I am right now at my terrace garden and the time is now 6:10 Thursday, and I want to show you what's happening and what I do in my kitchen garden, and I'll also show you a bit of my terrace garden tour. So right now first I have sprayed a bits of neem oil, and Rich God is coming up now here, and that's the beautiful turmeric. So turmeric we will harvest probably around November, December, January time. So these are also lot of turmeric which we have harvested from the last season. We have put it up here. And that's the Malabar spinach. And if you see, there are a lot of radishes, and then here there is bottle gourd coming. These are bottle gourds, but the gourd family, it could be cucumber also. See the cloud, guys, and it's a beautiful wind, and it's a neem tree. And that's the radish flowers here. And that's the balloon vine, very good for osteoporosis, bone issues, knee issues, body pain, leg pain, and good for paralysis, stroke, and all that. So that's the balloon vine. This is balloon vine. So I'll get into my compost containers. I'll also show you this pomegranate which is coming up here. And this is Karpuravalli. So kind of ajwain species. Pomegranate, Madulamparam. And so this is my vertical garden. I have put up a lot of greens here, herbs here, and all that. So that's the flower, table rose. So to attract the bees, we have also put up a lot of jasmines here and there. These lemons are also here. They are not yet ready to harvest. There are 3 lemons here. So I have kept the compost containers open in the morning. I came around 5:50 and then I opened the compost containers. Open. So this is actually a done compost. So I'll keep it open for some more time, and then see, I'll put it like this. I'll stir it. If you cannot stir it, make a hole, a nice hole for the compost to be done. I'll make some more hole here. So it's very good for aeration basically. We have put all the twigs and all that of the plants here, and all the food waste, and the puja flowers, leaves, dry leaves and all that. And here you have one more I have put up. I have to fill it up with the coco peat. So this week we also plan to start the bioenzyme batch. So I'll also show you more on this bioenzyme, on how we do and all that. So this is how I do aeration, and just keep it open. If you can keep it open for the whole day also, it's fine. So just take a stick. So if it is something like sharp like this, it would be very convenient. See, a lot of compost is already done here. The home compost is sufficient, more than enough for the plants to grow. If you see, they are growing good. And I'll show you this beautiful pink color. It's like twins, no? Which is growing up here. And lot of jasmine. So I have already plucked a lot of jasmine flowers from here in the morning. So hope you enjoyed my vlog for today. So that's my kitchen garden tour and the terrace garden tour. And so tomorrow and day after I'll also show you bits and pieces of drip irrigation, how to do and what we did on the drip irrigation and all that, and also on the trellis setup. So thank you for watching. Bye bye. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.